Along a major trucking artery in southern Taiwan, a semi has just rear-ended a tanker truck. The tanker contains 25 tons of a highly flammable chemical called styrene, and a spreading fire threatens to detonate the tanker. Firefighters attack the flames at all angles, but the fire refuses to submit. The pressure inside the cylinder builds as firefighters struggle to cool the tanker. The intensity of the heat creates tornado-shaped flames shooting from the tanker. It's a final warning. Firefighters retreat as burning shrapnel pelts them from above. A reporter on the scene runs to an injured fireman. Further analysis reveals the flames surrounding the styrene-filled tank heated the chemical beyond its combustion point of 914 degrees. This spontaneous ignition erupts more than 250 feet into the air. The blast instantly vaporized all 25 tons of the chemical inside the tanker. With no fuel to burn, the fire dissipates. Damage is widespread. The cab of the tanker looks like a bombed-out shell. As for the semi, all that remains is its charred and melted chassis. In the end, 4 firefighters received only minor injuries when this tanker truck exploded and shook this Taiwanese highway.